Hi friends, Mrs. Lambert here, and we're going to read a story today. I'm so excited. The skill that you need to know is coming from the train card. The train card, the sound is A, and the spelling is A blank E. Okay? You try. Card, sound, and spelling. Yay, very good. Okay, so let's go to our story here. And this is Ice Fishing with Jake. Now you're going to see a lot of words here that are coming from the train card, the long A, as well as some of our affixes, the ing, the ed. So you're going to get lots and lots of practice. Even reading with quotation marks and all of that. So I think I would like you to read it at least 2 times. So I'm going to read it, and I'd like you to read it with me. Do your best. And then I'm going to just listen, and you are going to read. Okay? Let's begin. Title, Ice Fishing with Jake. When the lake froze, Jake and I set a date to go fishing. We made a hut with a place to sit. We cut a hole in the ice. I gave Jake a pole. I dropped a line in the hole. I hope I get a pike, said Jake. We sat and sat and sat. I felt like an ice cube. I hope I get a bite before morning, I said. What time is it? Time for a bite, said Jake with a smile. My mom had made us a big lunch. I ate mine. Jake was just set to take a bite of cake when his pole snapped. Save a slice of cake for me, yelled Jake. I snagged a pike on my line. So friends, if you've never heard of a pike, it is a fish, and snag means they caught one. So it's a pretty cool story, right? And lots of practice with conversation as well. So now you got to trust me, and believe me that I am going to listen to you and you're going to read. So I'm just going to be here in the video and you're going to see me just listening and you're going to read. Okay? So go ahead and read. Okay, stop whether you finished or not, and let's go over just a couple words that might have gave you trouble. This word right here, can you see that I'm circling it? Is the word ice. Okay, we cut a hole in the ice. So this is ice fishing. The lake froze over. Okay, and this is ice. The CE comes from the sun card, actually. The CE says the sound of ice. Okay, another one. Let's look at this word. Dropped. Now the ED has the sound of the T. Remember, there are 3 sounds for the ED, and I talked about this in the last video. T, D, ed. So this is an example of a word with the first sound dropped. Let's see if we can find another word with an ed. Snapped. That's also with a T, isn't it? And snagged. That's the second sound. D. Yelled. Okay? All right. Read it one more time, and I will be right here listening to you read. Let's see if you can get a little further this time. Ready? Put your eyes under the first word. Ready? Read. All right, stop. And friends, the whole goal was to read without mistakes. So just practice and practice. We'll get better and better at it that way. And I will see you again at my next video. Thanks. Bye.